If you like to travel light, you're willing to go to extremes to cut weight from your pack. I mean, really extreme. And while shaving ounces is great and all, you can end up cutting out the most important things too. Specifically, comfort.
Derek here, founder of Haven Tents. Our goal was to create the best way to sleep outside, and we did. For the last 5 years, our lay-flat hammock system has been making sleep more comfortable for adventurers all over the world. And now, we're back on Kickstarter to launch the newest addition to the Haven Tent line. This is Haven Spectre, the most comfortable way to backpack.
Like all Haven tents, Spectre uses our patented lay-flat system, allowing you to sleep comfortably on your back, side, or stomach. Setup is fast and easy, and the plush insulated pad feels like sleeping on a cloud. Not only is the lay-flat surface extremely comfortable, it's super easy to get in and out of. No ducking or crouching like with a ground tent, or being bent like a banana in a traditional hammock.
Now let's talk about weight. Haven Spectre weighs an incredibly light 4.3 pounds or 1.9 kilograms. And that's the entire system: hammock, rainfly, and the insulated pad.
Spectre is the ultimate solution for backpackers, thru hikers, and other lightweight campers who need to cover a lot of ground without being weighed down and without sacrificing a good night's sleep. How did we do it? We started with our most popular tent, Haven XL, and streamlined everything, refining every single panel to be lighter than ever. This was possible with the use of new materials at the edge of ultralight tech. Monolight mesh, the most durable material in its weight class, ultralight sil poly, and Dyneema, the world's strongest fiber. This cutting-edge combo of materials makes Spectre unbelievably light without sacrificing any support, stability, or strength. Even the tree straps got the minimalist treatment. Spectre straps are 33% lighter than their predecessors and 85% longer, giving you more control over your sight options. The Spectre True Level insulated pad is streamlined for weight. The pack doubles as a pump sack, making inflation fast and efficient, so you can spend less time setting up and more time settling in. Spectre isn't just an outdoor sleep solution, it's an experience. Take a look. Spectre's semi-transparent construction gives you a near 360-degree unobstructed view of your surroundings, fully immersing you in the natural environment. No other shelter, yet alone hammock system, gives you this kind of panoramic immersion. Mesh pockets line the interior of the tent, so you can keep important items close at hand. Need more storage? Spectre features a convenient gear sling. A built-in bug net protects you from pests, while the detachable rainfly protects you from the elements. Add a Haven Ridge light for both practical and aesthetic ambiance. The original Haven tent set the new standard for outdoor comfort. Next came Haven Safari. Rugged and durable, this is the glamping champion. While Spectre is the ultimate embodiment of outdoor minimalism, providing you everything you need to stay comfortable and protected in the wild, with zero dead weight. Every ounce intentional, every night restful.
Backing this campaign is about investing in better sleep. And who knows, maybe next time you can bring the whole toothbrush. See you out there.